Alright, well, we already have our milk carton in. Yeah. There's chips and juice and chocolate milk, and now there's applesauce.
You can share it with
It's $1 and now though.
Here.
Oh, that's banana.
Why'd you eat the rest of your mashed potatoes? We needed that. Oh, no. Well, Austin's. Is that a banana or mashed potatoes? I'm not sure.
peanut butter jelly.
Oh, it's banana, peanut butter jelly sandwich. Some more banana. And then a co-op of mashed potatoes. I'm trying to get the camera in there. Oh well.
We need more liquids.
Shit, I have some.
Could you provide the...
I'm gonna go over there to the Techno Barbarians.
Zach can provide liquids.
Well, why doesn't he provide the liquids? No, Austin, we need that. Austin! Grape juice. Okay, that's enough. I have some liquids too if we need them.
Now we just need some more salads.
We just need some more what?
Solids.
Oh.
I'll get those.
Are we making a sock-lid?
Yeah.
Okay, you need to quit being gross with your milk and throw it away.
Oh. We're all just like, oh.
Oh, there's
This kitchen terminated.